Okay, it's been a while since I last did a video, and we're moving step by step. So I'm at the new home base, which I'm selling as well before I get the coach. And today, such a great a home is not a home without a dog. Amen. So we're gonna go out the front door. And we're going to look at what I've called Shitty Bang Bang. It's a 2000 Chevy Blazer, fully loaded, really nice car, 20 years old. It has 310,000 miles on it. And it's time for her to pass on. Oh, here's our old 2017 Town of Southampton parking, and here she is. Just put 4 new tires on it when I went down to see my mom in Florida. She's really in great shape. Gonna miss her. But she really did me well. And in case some of you that watched the other videos, that's what happened up in Vermont. I don't know if you can see it really, but there's a piece of the grill missing. And the inside. Jake's gonna miss it too. This was a spot back here. Plus he ripped the seats. Although they were getting old anyway. But that's it. All cleaned out. Nothing left. Alright, well, I ain't gonna tell you quite yet what I'm getting, but it's gonna be the last ride we're gonna go on. Jake, sit. What a good boy. Truck. Yes, you're such a good boy. Alrighty, we're off to get the surprise, and I think I learned enough editing. I'll be able to do this. Put this house on the market too. So this is just oh geez, I had this. I moved in here in 1987. Oh, and there's my little sign over there. And then I get rid of some of those rocks. Everything's all nice and painted. I'll show more of this, but for now, we're out of here.